And the banana bread is finally done. It's a light golden brown, it's light to touch, and you are gonna love the sugar glaze, okay? So take your handy dandy oven mitt, open up the oven, and voila, beautiful banana bread with a sugar glaze. Didn't that glaze turn out great? And I always recommend that you put your banana bread on a wire rack, but this is granite, so I can pretty much put anything on it. I just don't want you burning your countertops. As you can see, I'm able to take the loaves out easily. They're nice and cool. And the best thing about it is you have preserved your pan so you can use it again, good for the environment. And you just pull down the aluminum foil and it comes out easy as can be. Isn't that fabulous? I can say it's fabulous. It really wasn't my idea. It was that lovely gentleman's. And you've got two really great loaves of banana bread. And let me just grab a knife, because I'm just going to cut it for you so you can see just how yummy this is. And as you can see, you can just cut it. It's so moist. Yum. You're going to love this banana bread and see the nice chunks of nut right in there. Perfect every time. Now come back, because what we're going to do next is we're going to show you how to take this banana bread and make it a really great little gift item.